Hey everyone, and welcome back to The Girl with the Shovel. I am Angela, and today we are going to talk about how to water your aloe vera correctly. Now, a lot of people struggle with watering their aloe vera, and that's mainly because they water it like their other tropical plants. Now, tropical plants love moisture, okay? But aloe vera is actually a succulent. So to water our aloe vera correctly, we need to think more like a cactus and less like our peace lilies. So aloe vera actually stores water in its leaves. It's actually pretty cool. But that's why if you overwater your aloe vera, it's actually going to make it kind of like pop like an overfilled water balloon. But on the flip side, not watering it enough will cause your aloe vera to start shriveling up its little leaves, and it is just not a pretty sight. So how exactly do we get this water just right so we can keep our aloe vera alive? So to water it correctly, let's go back to the cactus. Think about watering your aloe vera just like you would a cactus. Cacti, we need to water it as a soaking, then a drying out period, and then back to a soaking, and then back to a drying out period. So this can be achieved in one of two ways. So either you can run the water through your pot as you're watering it and just let it just drip out the bottom of your pot. So we want to continually just water it in, water it in, water it in, and let this soil soak up as much as it possibly can. And then let it drip dry, and once it's drip dried, then it's ready to go back into its more decorative pot. Or if it's been so long since you've watered your aloe vera, maybe it's a little hydrophobic. That means your soil won't soak up the water really well. So in this case, you definitely want to bottom water and let that soil soak up as much water as it possibly wants. And then once again, let it drip dry and then put it back in its spot. Now, this thorough watering method is perfect as long as you pair it along with the drying out period. Okay, so that means that you let it dry until the first couple of inches of soil is dried out. You can stick your finger down into it to try to feel it out to make sure that that top layer of your soil is dry, but you can also use a soil moisture meter. Okay, make sure the moisture meter is halfway or a little further than halfway down into the pot, and then make sure that it is onto the dry area of the moisture meter levels before you water it again. So this is where most people mess up. Most people don't let it dry thoroughly between watering, or people let it dry too much in between watering. Or also some people are like, oh, it's like a cactus, that means it doesn't need water at all. Let me say, even your cacti need water. Your aloe vera needs water. It needs to fill up those gorgeous leaves, and it will thank you. But also on the flip side, don't go overboard. So I hope that helped. I hope that helped explain a little bit about how to keep these guys alive in correctly watering them, because that is the number one reason that kills our aloe vera plants. But after watching this video, you should be a pro now, right? So no more killing our aloe veras due to overwatering or underwatering issues. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up and subscribe to help support the channel. And then also check out my website. I have a post over there on aloe vera plant care, and I'm also doing a video, so I'll leave the link down in the description below to how to take care of these wonderful plants so that you can enjoy the benefits of having the aloe vera plant in your own home. Have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video.